Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create an Instagram page. Creating a dedicated Instagram page is a great way to showcase your brand, business or hobby. So here's how to get started. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open the Instagram app. And to do so, if you don't have the Instagram app, just go to your Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone and search for Instagram. It's like this, and instead of the open button you're gonna have an install button. Click on it and the install progress will start. Now I already installed it, so I'm just gonna click on open. Now after you open, if you don't have an account in Instagram already, just create one. It doesn't require much, it's very simple and it takes just a few seconds. Now after logging into your account, go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon on the bottom right corner right here. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner right here and select settings. Select settings and scroll down and tap create new account. Let's see, create a new account. I'm gonna click on add account right here and click on create a new account. Now from here, follow the prompts to set up the account, including choosing a username, a password and a profile picture. You can also switch to a professional account if you're creating a business page for additional tools for analytics, etc. For additional tips, use a clear profile picture and an engaging bio to attract followers, and link your page to other social media accounts for cross promotion. Now creating an Instagram page is easy and sets the foundation for building your online presence. With a few thoughtful details, your page can effectively represent your goals. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.